She ran me over. She said, I'm sorry, I lost control of my red Ferrari. She said, I hope that's paint on your shirt. I said, I don't think that paint should hurt. Oh, she said, I don't want to be a trouble. Then she came at me in her V-double. And then to prove she's not a meanie, she showed me how her Lamborghini could send me flying. Then her Mercedes was busy trying to show me Hades. And then to make sure that I was gored, she came right at me with her Ford, which she adored. And then her Honda, of which she's fonder, and with a little laugh in her voice, she rolled right over me with her Royce, simply splattered me to the ground, with hardly ever any traces, just a clock, that was the time. I felt quite tired and exhausted, fell asleep from counting cars instead of sheep. Then she did something that was really quite inspired, to make sure I was comfy bedded. She sprayed me with, unleaded, then oh so quietly and oh so gently, she tiptoed over me with her Bentley, her Aston Martin, so debonair, put a new part right through my hair. And then the sound of a different motor was followed closely by her Toyota, and I was woken by the sight of a Lotus screaming at me from the right. I realized it's not a dream when the spare wheel underneath hit me squarely in the teeth. And though I tried, I couldn't really scream. You see, I wasn't really able, with my tongue in the brake cable. And while I wondered, was I safe then? No, she came right at me with her Renault, and something I just can't mention got stuck in the suspension. Then just before I could scramble over, she introduced me to her Land Rover. I was lucky to be alive after intimacy with a four-wheel drive. That was the time I thought that I should go. So I said I hope that she had had a nice time too. We must do it all again one day real soon. But no, she said that that would be quite nice. I should have thought about it twice, because her Fiat is on my heels, with knives sticking out the wheels. And this will be disaster, because I can't run any faster. But I was saved by her Vauxhall Nova that sent me flying right up and over. But now her Peugeots come out to play. It mowed me down, really took my breath away. And now it couldn't get any worse. She's coming at me with her hearse. Oh.